Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up form error message in bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form name. Navigate to the settings section. Select the confirmation message on the left-hand sidebar. Please provide a name for your error message. Now write your message contain here. Click on the preview button to see the form error message you've just set, and you can also customize it. With this feature, you can completely personalize your error message by customizing the background color, border style, shadow effects, width, and padding to suit your preferences. This feature allows you to customize the position of your error message to make the message more attractive. There are 3 types of position options: below the form, snack bar, or modal. I want to display the error message below the form after form submission, so I choose this option. You can customize the animation feature style to make your error message more visually appealing, and set an auto-hide duration to close it automatically after a specified time. Then go to the conditional logics. Click on Add Conditional Logic button. Now let's set the conditional logic. Select the input field and the appropriate condition from the drop-down menu. If the name, not equal, bitapps, or email, not equal, support@bitapps.pro. Then select Form Error Message. Now click on the Update button. If the name field is not equal bitapps and the email address is not equal support@bitapps.pro, when someone submits the form, then they will see an error message. Otherwise, if the condition is not met, then the default success message of the bitform will be displayed. Let's submit the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.